There's a new number 1 on the AI video leaderboard, and most people still haven't heard of it. It's called HappyHorse 1.0, it's live inside Pollo AI, and today I'm going to show you how to use it to make real money. Yes, AI video is fun, but the same tools also make ad creative that looks like a real agency shoot it. Which means you can run a one-person marketing agency from your laptop. Client sends a product photo, you send back a polished UGC ad. You charge for it, you scale to 10-50 clients, that's it. And the best part, you only need two tools. GPT Image 2 for the stills and HappyHorse 1.0 for the video, both inside Pollo AI. 3 tests today. Test number 1, text to video on HappyHorse, a teen skincare UGC ad. Test 2, GPT Image 2 plus HappyHorse, a luxury woman's perfume campaign. And test number 3, same combo, an energy drink UGC ad with a fun product concept. One of the strongest features of HappyHorse is synced audio. And yes, other AI video models are starting to offer this too. But the difference here is how natural it feels. With some tools, the audio can feel like something added after the video was already generated. Here, the dialogue, the lip movement, the voice and the room tone feel more connected to the actual scene. Test 1 is text to video on HappyHorse. No image, just a prompt. The brief, a UGC ad for teen anti-acne cream. A lot of creators make skincare ads with models who have perfect skin, perfect lighting and overall polished commercial look. But for this kind of product I want to go in the opposite direction. I want the ad to feel natural, casual and as close to reality as possible. Because with anti-acne cream the goal is not to create the most perfect looking ad. The real test is whether HappyHorse can generate something intentionally unpolished, authentic and relatable. And this is the full prompt I'll be feeding into the model.
Two weeks in and my skin is finally calming down.
Her skin has visible texture and some imperfections, which makes sense because she's using an anti-acne cream. The bedroom also feels like a real teenager's room, not a perfectly staged commercial set. The application looks natural, the hands looks correct and the lip sync on the line is actually good. The voice, the room tone and overall casual feeling all work together pretty well, so overall I would say this is a successful UGC skincare ad. Test 2, GPT Image 2 plus HappyHorse. I'm pushing it into a higher end category, luxury women's fragrance. I'm calling the concept Eclora, fresh aquatic premium, big budgets, very specific look, dialogue lead. If the tools handle this brief, they handle almost any brief. GPT Image 2 builds the still, transparent blue glass bottle on the white marble, soft golden light, no label, no text. Then into HappyHorse for animation and the spoken line. I'm going to use this prompt. GPT Image 2 nailed the brief on the first try. The bottle looks premium, the glass feels realistic, the marble surface adds that luxury product ad feeling, and overall it followed the direction really well. Now I'm going to take this reference image into HappyHorse and turn it into a video. The process is simple. I upload the image, select HappyHorse as the video model and use it to generate the final animation with audio. And this is the prompt I'm going to use for this generation.
Eclora feels fresh, soft, and unforgettable.
Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with this one. The product consistency is really strong. The bottle keeps the same shape, the same blue glass and the same cap across shots, which is exactly what I wanted to see. What I also like is the skin texture on the model. It doesn't have that overly smooth plastic AI look. The final result definitely has that perfume commercial language. Visually, I think this is very strong. Test number 3 is the one I was probably most excited to try, because the idea is simple but actually pretty tricky to generate. I wanted to create a UGC ad for an energy drink where the can looks inspired by a classic alkaline battery. Copper on the top, matte black on the bottom, that old visual joke. So this is a good test. Product design, brand concept and UGC realism all in one scene. If the tool can handle this, that says a lot. Step 1, GPT Image 2 for the reference still. Here's the prompt I'm using to create the reference image. Look at this result. It clearly still reads as an energy drink can. It has the pull tab, the aluminum body, the condensation and the right beverage can proportions. But at the same time, the copper and the black color blocking instantly gives you that battery idea. That was the whole visual joke behind the prompt and GPT Image 2 understood it really well. Now into HappyHorse for the UGC ad. Here's the exact prompt I'm going to use.
This looks like a battery because it basically recharges my day.
This one genuinely impressed me. I think everything came together really well. The product consistency is strong across all the shots. Same cam, same copper and black design, same proportions. The guy looks believable too. The beard, the hair, the skin textures all feels pretty natural. And the way he handles the can actually works. He pulls it away from the camera, brings it closer, takes a sip and places it back on the desk without that weird floating or warping you sometimes see in the AI video. The lip sync on the line is solid and the synced audio helps sell the whole thing. You get the voice, the room tone, the casual UGC atmosphere and even the sound of the can being placed back on the desk in the same generation. This is probably the test where I had to pause and rewatch the result because it really does feel like a finished social ready UGC ad. And the crazy part is that it started as a simple product idea written in a paragraph, then turned it into a reference image and finally in this video. If you're a brand, you used to pay an agency a lot of money for that. If you're a freelancer, you used to take a week to deliver it. We just made it before lunch. Quick on what makes this combo so good, because the real question is why these two tools and not something else? HappyHorse synced audiovisual in one pass, tight lip sync, fast 8-step generation and native multi-language prompt understanding. Outputs up to 15 seconds at 1080p, both text to image and image to image. GPT Image 2 is in my opinion one of the strongest image models on the market right now, especially when it comes to prompt following. What makes it stand out is not just image quality, but how well it handles specific instruction. Long briefs, precise product details, controlled layouts, multiple subjects, and even strict constraints like no logos or no text are much more reliable here than with most other models I've tested. And the useful part is that all of this happens inside Pollo AI. You get access to these top video and image models from one dashboard without constantly jumping between different tools. So that's 3 ads built with 2 tools all inside one platform. And what I like about this workflow is that these are not just random AI experiments. These are the kind of ads that can actually be useful for real businesses. Product ads, skincare UGC, energy drink UGC, the exact type of content brands already need for social media. The barrier used to be the full production process. Gear, actors, location, shooting, editing, sound, revisions. Now a big part of that workflow can happen in direct in your browser. The real advantage is speed. Being able to test ideas, create variations and move from concept to finish ad much faster. If you want to try it, the link is in the description. That's it from me. Go make something, test a few ideas and maybe even turn one in a real client project. I'll see you in the next one.